Hola mis Serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today I'm just going to show you guys the new BH Cosmetics Remix Dance Brush Set. I said I was going to make this separately in a video for you guys. I didn't want to mix it in with the actual palettes because I feel like it makes the video longer. So I don't know, I just decided to make it its own little video. I thought it was going to be better that way. So this is a 10-piece brush face and eye brush set with bag. It includes inside a tapered powder brush, a round powder, flat buffer, angled cheek, flat highlight, small blending, large blending, flat packer, round definer, flat liner. It says pump up the jam and just beat it with our Remix Dance 10-piece brush set with bag. These multi-use vegan face and eye brushes feature disco ball inspired handles with flecks of glitter, silver glitter, plus silver furls, and ultra plush synthetic bristles. This set also includes an iridescent glitter bag to keep your looks and moves tight all night long. Now the entire box looks super iridescent, blinding. Like this will mess with my lights, but look how cool that looks. When you take it out of the box, it comes in this, it's just a straight up glitter bag. Like, I'm not gonna mince words. This is a straight up glitter up the butt bag, and it has all this chunky glitter and super small glitters. I'm pretty sure someone just took some glue and just dipped this straight in the glitter, and the glitter is flaking off like freaking crazy. It's not even funny. I don't like it. This is one of those exfoliating type of bags. Like, you could take it and exfoliate your face with. That's how rough it is. I don't like how when they do that. But I will tell you guys that the inside is super cute. It says BH on it all over in the middle. Like, this would have been so much better if they would just would have kept it maybe a soft fabric type of bag and not this. I get the idea behind it. It's just not my thing. I don't like glitter bags. So when you take it out, they come like this, all of them. And they come individually wrapped like always. Y'all already know I'm so bad at telling which of the brushes are meant for what purpose. But I really love that BH Cosmetics has been basically listening. And they've been adding on their handles what the brush is. So even though you guys can't see it, the handle is all, it's like a clear resin plastic. And all the glitters are in there, just floating in there randomly. And then, of course, you have I love that the bristles are like this soft gray material. Super, super soft, you guys. And, of course, right here, they put BH and they put round powder brush. So this is a round powder brush. They're thick. They're really, really good. I like that they, even though this is plastic, they still feel, you know, pretty heavy. I like it. I think it's cute. And then randomly, I'm just going to keep grabbing brushes. This one is, what is this? This is an angled cheek brush. So you guys can see this at an angle right here. I love these as my blush brushes. And they're same thing. They're really, really soft. That's how pretty they look. It's such a shame. I don't even think you guys could see the actual detailing. You know, I have a pretty old camera, you guys. I know someone mentioned it in one of my Spanish videos saying, like, you need to get better equipment. Well, when I can afford to get better. I just bought a new laptop. Like, give me some bread. Cash me some slack. Jesus. Cut me some slack. I'm not rich. YouTube doesn't pay me. Okay, you guys, rant over. So next we have a large blending brush. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know, I like I've never had a really bad experiences when it comes to BH Cosmetic brushes. They've always worked really, really well for me. I don't have really a lot of complaints. I think out of the entirety of my entire collection, I've only had 2 of their brushes break, and that was because my 2-year-old basically took it and went like this on the ground and she broke them. But other than that, on my own, they've lasted me a long time. I've actually had 2 Morphe brushes break on me, and that's just from using them, okay? That wasn't because my daughter got to them. So now we have small blending brush. This one says small. The words are freaking small, you guys. I cannot show you guys. They're so small, the lettering, and I don't even think you could see them, even if I could show you guys with a better camera, but still, that's how it comes. And I love these ones. I use these ones a lot, especially the small detailer ones. Next we have a flat buffer one. This one's the round buffer. I'm like, people use these for foundations, I believe. I don't really use these as foundations. I use these for powder, like, you know, to pack on, set my face with the powder brush. With my powder setting powder that I use. That's what I use them for. Then you have this huge one that's a tapered powder brush, okay? I love this. This is cute. Look, it's huge. Oh, this is going to make a good powder brush. I love how soft they are, how huge they are. That is awesome. And then next we have this one right here. And this one is a round definer brush. Just a little flat. Kind of like tapered on top, like rounded on top. I love to use these ones down here. They're just more small. And they're not as thick, so they don't pack on the shadow that thick. That's the one I like to use down here. But that's just me. You know, everybody has their own little thing, how they use the brushes. I'm not here to tell you how to use a brush, okay? That's not going to happen on this channel. So this one's a flat liner brush. And it just has, I don't even know. That feels so hard, you guys. I wouldn't even use that as a liner. It has no, like, tip to it. It's completely flat on top. So definitely... this is not one that I recommend out of this entire set. It's super hard. Like, can you guys hear how hard that is? Jesus, what am I going to do? Poke my eye with this? You know what this more look like? If I wanted to make a polka dot detail, I just take some. That's what it looks like. This more looks like you're going to make freckles on your face. That don't look like no liner brush. I'm just saying. Like, I wouldn't use it for that. And then I think this is the second to the last. Okay, so now there's a flat packer brush. These are those flat firm ones. A little rounded on top. These ones are perfect for packing on glitter, shimmers. I personally use them to put on my my eyelid primer. You know, before I put on my shadows, I use my ABH primer. These are the type of brushes that I use for that. Finally, we have the last one in here. This one is a flat highlight brush. And it comes like this. I love these brushes, you guys. These are perfect. This is the perfect highlighting one. See, look. It's like the perfect size. I love highlighting brushes. When a set comes with it, I get all excited because I'm like, I only have like 3, so... you could always use one more, right? I have a ton of brushes. I'm not even joking. I probably have just as much brushes as I have palettes. And I don't tend to get rid of brushes. I just like rotate them to get the use out of them as much as I can. But like, I'm so bad. I'm just as bad with especially BH brushes. You got me sold on those ones. So that's pretty much it for those brushes right there, you guys. I do have another set of brushes that I bought from them. This is like a brand new, because when they dropped the remix brushes, I went on the site and I saw that they had another set of brushes that said new. So I was like, oh, I want this, you know. It's called BH Cosmetics Face Essential 7-piece face brush set. I thought it looked cool because I was like, you know what? It has all like the basics necessity for your overall face. It has a jumbo face, an angled contour or rounded face, a flat powder, angled blush, rounded cheek, rounded highlighter. It says flaunt that flawless face and accentuate your features with our BH Face Essentials 7-piece face brush set. This must-have vegan brushes feature ultra plush two-tone synthetic bristles, luxe black handles with our holographic elements, and silver ferrules that offer effortless precision, expert application of liquid, cream, and powder formulas. So this one does not come with a bag. When you take it out of that box, it comes like this, all wrapped up in this plastic. I'm going to go in no particular order, okay? You guys already know I just randomly grab whatever's there and start naming them one by one. Now, these do have a very chemical smell right now. I've had that one other experience with my ColourPop ones. I've never really had that experience with my BH. But just so you guys know, usually if it has that smell, just take it out of the bag, take it out of all its plastic, leave it out for a couple of days, and the smell usually goes away within 2 days, okay? I've never had a problem with it not going away. So the first brush right here is called a rounded cheek brush. It does say rounded cheek. It has the BH Cosmetics symbol right here. This is a plastic handle, but I don't know if that's plastic or that's wood. That's wood. And this reminds me of Morphe brushes, because like look how sleek it looks with just the black and the silver, and these bristles are dark black light brown mixture in there, and it's a very tapered like little rounded, I don't know, I love it. This one says what, rounded cheek, so for your blush, oh god, they're pretty big. I mean, compared to the ones that I just did, look at the ones that I just did, they're about the same size. So yeah, I don't remember how much these ones costed. I will leave that down below. I'll leave you guys a link for the first one, the remix one, and then I'll leave you the link for these brushes, okay? So next you have the angled blush brush. So this is at an angle, just like that one from the other remix one right here. And it comes like this. Super, super pretty. And like I said, you know, they say what they are right there. They say angled blush brush. I doubt this camera will focus enough for you guys to see what it says, but still, I do my best with what I got, okay? So next we have flat powdered brush. This is a flat powder. Comes like this. It's not even that flat. I wouldn't consider that flat. It's kind of rounded, but to say, you guys, these are soft. I love these. This one, I would use this totally as my setting powder brush. This is the one right here. This is the one. Next you have angled contour. Oh my god, if you guys love to contour, you need this brushes. I'm not joking. Look how thick that looks. To say that they look high quality is saying so little for that. I'm not giving this brush enough credit. It looks so expensive in person that I'm like, oh, it makes me want to contour, and I don't even contour. And it feels heavy. It's like, oh my god, this looks such good quality, honestly. So this one is huge. It's called a jumbo face brush. Good god, look at this bullet. It is so, it's like pretty chunky. The handle is super chunky. It's like, oh god, look at that. It says jumbo face right there. And just look at this monster. Come on, you guys, look at this. What am I going to use this for? I'm guessing someone is going to use an overall powder, like to brush off your setting powder. You know, when you bake your face, you just do that. I'm going to guess that's what it's for, okay? Because there is no way in a million years would I ever use that one for anything but that. Just like randomly wiping something off. Because what am I going to do with this? Am I putting shimmer all over my body? That's the only way I would use that. Maybe dry oil shimmer all over your body. I don't know. So now we got the rounded highlighter brush. This is the rounded highlighter. And look how nice this one looks. I like this one. It looks super, super cute. Yeah, look. It looks good enough. It just looks like this perfect size to, you know, highlight certain areas of your face, however you guys want to do it. That looks nice. Now, this is the last one. This is the one I was most excited about. This is probably the main reason why I bought this brush set in the first place, because this one's called a rounded face brush, and it is exactly like that look. It just looks like so pretty. It's soft. These are the ones that I have a Morphe one like this, and I don't really use it a lot because I'm honestly scared of either breaking it or it like stop working. You know, like you get scared because Morphe's so expensive compared to BH that when I see these stippling ones that you can use for like liquid foundation, oh my god, I jump at these. That's why these are the ones that I use for my liquid foundation if I have one. Because I have one from, I believe it was the BH Cosmetic Festival. And that was like the only one that I ended up comparing to Morphe. It had like a really similar to, it looked almost the same thing. So when you can get it in this type of affordability, basically. I don't know. I like it. I like these. These are really, really good. They look really high quality. They feel very heavy. They're like thick wooden material right here for the handles. And the silver handles right here. They look good. I mean, honestly, they look like expensive brush sets. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.